Well, hello there, AdvantaClean of South Sound. My name is Gary Swick. I'm with Golden Ratio Marketing. And today I'm going to give you 3 tips to help you grow your business online. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this? And what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds. And the answer is, well, actually I don't read minds, but oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. And I have found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free, it's resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, hey, I like you, Gary. Please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, well, hey, shoot me a message and let's chat. And if not, you just want to take this video and simply, use it for yourself, hey, that works for me too. No harm, no foul. So let me show you these 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the 3 things I like to go over are content, citations, and backlinks. And so your content is basically, anything that is highlighted on your front page, right? So pictures, words, and everything that's behind the words, the tags, the descriptions, alt text and all that good stuff, right? So to be fully optimized with Google, you want to have about 1,500 to 2,500 words on your front page. And that will give you a chance to put in plenty of keywords and key phrases that will help you in your search results when people are looking for water restoration in Tacoma. And so what you want to have is you can have keywords behind even the pictures, right? So if we take a look at your picture here, maybe that's not a good picture to do, but what we can do is we can just, take any picture, save image as, and it'll tell you what, sanitize icon, which, isn't too bad, but you can definitely put a keyword in there, or a key phrase that will help you in your Google search results. And so 1,500 to 2,500 words with good, unique, authoritative content and enough of it to add in keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching in Google for. And the next thing I like to go over is citations. And citations are local and national websites that are directories, kind of like Yelp and BBB, super pages, and you want to take a look at the citations that your top competition has, because when you do a search for, we'll say, water restoration Tacoma, with enough citations, you're going to be here on this front map pack, and that's how I know where you want to be. And the more citations, the better. And so what you do is just look at the people here that are at the top. You look at the citations they have, and you just basically copy them. Get on all the directories that they are on, but you don't want to stop there. You want to go above and beyond to really just dominate the competition and get right up there in that front page of the map pack. And so that's what citations are. And so next I want to talk about backlinks. And backlinks work like this. There's a website out there that has a link to your website that could generate traffic back to your site. And backlinks are not always equal. Because if we look here, right, this is, AdvantaClean, .com /Tacoma, Washington, and you guys got, a lot of, 2.38 thousand referring domains with 71,000, over 71,000 backlinks. But not all backlinks are created equal, right? And so if you have, let's say you did some work at an ice cream shop and they put a link to your website from theirs, a link from an ice cream shop isn't as strong as a link from another restoration company. And so it's giving you 23, over almost 24,000 keywords, and you're paying for, pay per clicking for 24 words, giving you organic traffic. And I think this is mostly for the nationwide AdvantaClean, right? Giving you 137,000. Because if I look at your keywords here, none of them are for local, right? In Tacoma, and I know that that's what you really care about is your local Tacoma business, because if you're looking at mold removal, Oklahoma City, it's like you're not going to go out there. I'm sure there's an AdvantaClean out there. So if we look at, you're one of the top competition, right? So Water Damage Fix, we look at their, and they're only paying for one keyword, right? And we look at their keywords and what their top position is, and, Water Damage Company Washington. I know that's, what you want to be the first, you want to be first in the Google search for all of these, very specific authoritative keywords and key phrases. And that has to do with high quality backlinks referring, to your local business. And so that's what I got for you. Content, a lot of keywords, key phrases. Save your images with keywords and key phrases that will definitely help you with your organic search. Citations, get as many citations as you can. Local directories that will help you with your position in the map pack, and good authoritative backlinks that will refer back to you in your site and give you lots of that link juice that will help you with your organic search. So, yep, my name is Gary Swick. I would love to talk to you more. Please give me a message back. Let me know what you think about the video. Good luck and have a great week. Thank you.